Hi everyone, Jim Archetko here, Archetko Homes team. We fix it and we list it.com. I wanted to take the opportunity here today to let everybody know a little bit about the services we provide and a little background on us. I have been in the home remodeling business for 20 years, doing anything from custom home builds to any type of home remodeling. My wife Rebecca has been in the real estate business for the last 20 years. Together now we have come together and we have combined forces to create a one-stop shopping home experience. So you ask, what is that one-stop shop home experience? Well, we're out there to do anything to do with the home. If you need to list your house, we can list your house. If you're out there looking to buy a house, we can help you find that dream home of yours. If you need a home renovation done, we can do that renovation for you. Now you may ask, what is the we fix it and we list it.com about? Well, that is, if you need to list your house, and let's be honest, some of us are a little lackluster on our honey-do list due to watching football or playing golf. You haven't got around to doing that. We can come in and we can do that honey-do list for you, or anything that you may need to do to your house to get it ready to be listed, and then we can list it right away. Feel free to give us a call for a free home-in consultation, and we can get moving on that process. Also, if you would like to buy a house and we find you a house and it may need that little tender love and care, or may need your own little personal touch, and you have a project you may want to do, we can help you get that project done as well. So for more information, go visit wefixitandwelistit.com, or feel free to give us a call at 585-299-1112. We will be glad to set something up and meet with you. We take pride in answering our calls and getting back to people ASAP. Hope to hear from you all soon. Thanks.